Diane the Denmark here, rah rah rah. It is the start of the new year and I wanted to give you an invitation today. You who's sitting there watching me at the kitchen table here in Copenhagen. Starting Monday, I'm doing a brand new series, a New Year Reset. I want to invite you to have a better life. And what we're going to do is every day I will be giving you a little prompt, a little task, a little tiny task that you can do right there and then. Now, this series is for you if you are feeling overwhelmed. Maybe you've had a lot going on over the festive season. Maybe you're fed up of your life in the house and you just don't know where to start. Or maybe you just want to do something a little bit fun in January, and you know I always keep things fun. And I know I haven't always been organised, I didn't have everything together, I wasn't always happy and cheery. And what helped me back then was somebody telling me exactly what to do, holding my hand. I didn't have to do any thinking. And that's what I'm offering you in this brand new series that we're starting Monday. I'm taking things right back to basics. I will be filming here at the kitchen table as I did when I started on YouTube. Was that 7-8 years ago? I don't do any fancy filming. I use my telephone to film. I don't do any sponsorships, no ads in the middle of my videos. And I just want to offer you this here. It's a little, I'm holding your hand while we're making small changes. So there will be daily prompts, and it'll be small doable tasks, things that you can do when you get home from work, when you get home from the office, or while you are cooking dinner, just small things. There won't be any checklists, you won't have to print anything out, you won't need any equipment, you're just going to do it with me. That's it, you don't need anything to get started. Woohoo! So if you are ready to join me for that on Monday, you can put your hand up and say, yes, I am ready for a New Year reset. Also, you don't need to do anything. I want to take the pressure completely off you, but see you back here on Monday. So all I've got left to say, I've got my pom-poms ready because I will be cheering you on every single day. Live long and prosper. See you back here at the kitchen table, and a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.